So hi all. So this is the new questions, but this question never asked to me in interview. But this is logical is very good. That's why I have taken and showing to you. Okay, we'll run and debug it. We'll show you. So it is the 50. What is the questions? Question is answer is 50. Question is find the maximum number among the three numbers using lambda function. We used lambda function, and we need to print a maximum those who was present in the that variables. Okay, okay, we'll run it and we'll check first it is what happening. So lambda function. Okay, okay, lambda generated one object, then it's come to maximum. Direct it is printing. Oh, it went to 50, 20 and 9. It will check on above conditions. Okay, now lambda came. Now checking the condition. A greater than B, true. A greater than C, true. Else 50, return. So it is fraction of second happens. So I will put okay. 250, 900. And I will check again. So lambda function object created. Now it's calling the function maximum and passing the value 250, 20 and 900. Okay. Now it will call to the lambda. Checking the condition. A greater than B, true. A greater than C, false. So end condition need both true, either both true or false. So now it will go to the else condition. B greater than C, false. C greater than B greater than C, false. Else C. That means C will be the answer. So what is the C? 900. That's why it is printing 900. Okay. Thank you for watching.